All of this has helped obscure what reform would actually mean for you, the American people.
Rather, it has been the risk takers, the doers, the makers of things, some celebrated, but more often men and women obscure in their labor, who have carried us up the long, rugged path towards prosperity and freedom.
Also learn is that Dick Lugar, the more remote the place is and the more obscure the facility is, the bigger a rock star Dick Lugar is. And yet, there are already some senators back in Washington floating the idea that they might use obscure procedural stunts to prevent or delay any of these votes on reform. For this American family, this story isn't some piece of obscure history. It is an integral part of who they are. It's about the lived, shared experience of all African Americans, high and low, famous and obscure, and how those experiences have shaped and challenged and ultimately strengthened America.